Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. So today is Saturday, a beautiful Saturday morning. But look at the sun already, 10 a.m. and see the sun that is seeping into this window. It's crazy. But anyway guys, hope you guys are doing good. I'm very excited today because today I am going to get my hair braided. Yes, I haven't braided my hair in a couple of months and I'm super duper excited. But what is even more exciting about braiding my hair today is that I'm going to be using a very premium braiding extension. I've been seeing people using this sort of extensions, these ones that are more like premium fiber. I just turned on my AC guys, but yeah, this braiding extensions that are like premium fiber, you know, that coil at the tips. Like, I've seen people use these extensions and I'm just like, wow, it looks so good. So today I'm going to be using AYYA Hair. I don't have the extensions yet. Okay, I'm going to their store. All right, I'm going to be using a brand called AYYA Hair, and I've been hearing so much about them because I've seen them on Instagram a couple of times, you know, and anytime I see people who use their braiding extensions, I'm just like, wow, that is so beautiful. So I'm going over to their store to pick out a nice color that will complement me very well, and after which I'll be going to braid my hair. Ooh, I'm so excited guys, because this heat that we're experiencing now in Abuja, my wigs have to just take a little bit of a rest. Okay, but yeah, that is the plan for today. I'm going to their store first of all in Wuse just to see what they have, pick out something nice, and then go over to braid my hair. I'm super excited guys. So without further ado, without wasting too much of your precious time, let's get braiding this hair. I'm wearing this turban because I loosened my cornrows yesterday and it's a mess. Okay, so hopefully when I get to the salon I'll have it washed and all of that. But anyway, that is that about that. Let's get going and yeah.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn into morning dew, then you
guys, so I just came out of the store. Guys, let me tell you, I was in hair extension heaven up there. But anyway, this is what the bag is looking like, and I really love this blush pink thing going on here. I really love that. I love the, you know, brand name in gold. Very cute, very girly. You guys know I'm a girly girl. But anyways, my hair extensions are in here, so let's see what they look like. So this is what they look like. I'm going to be using the Honey Kiss bronze in 24 inches. I love how these hair extensions were packaged in this pink bag. Really nice, really cute, very detailed. I love detailed brands. Okay, let's open up and see what they look like. All right, before I start heading to the salon. All right, so this is what the hair extensions look like, and let me tell you guys, this thing is so soft. It feels just like human hair. I'm not even going to lie to you, it's so soft. Oh my goodness, I love this. And they have a wide range. I was so surprised at their color selection. they have a wide range of colors up there, okay, a wide range of colors. And I really love particularly how they name their bundles. So this one is Honey Kissed Bronze, they have Strawberry Blonde, they have Platinum Blue Barbie. Like, I love the names that they give to their many bundles. There are many different color selections, really cute, guys. So I'm using the Honey Kiss Bronze in 24 inches again. And if you want to braid your hair with these extensions, you will need about 4 to 5 bundles. The price ranges from 3,900 naira to about 4,700 naira per bundle, and that of course depends on how long or short you want your bundles to be. You know, if you want a 12 inches, 14 inches, 16, 18, 20, 24, it all depends on the length. The length would determine the price, okay, per bundle. So I am using 24 inches and I'm using 5 bundles. If you don't want it to be too full, you can use 4 bundles and you'll be fine. And to be honest, I thought it would be more expensive than that. I don't know why I thought that these things were more expensive than that, but anyway, that is the price, and I feel like it's fair enough for what you're getting. So yeah, guys, that is that. This is a brand that I'm actually completely falling hopelessly in love with right now. Okay, I'm actually falling in love with them. Anyway, I'm heading to the salon to get my hair braided right about now, and the braider I'm going to be using today was highly recommended by them, so I'm heading there now. And yeah, guys, that's that. Let me go get my hair braided with these babies, and I'll see you guys at the salon. All right,
just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to Crashland. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Lost touch. Wanna do? I speak the truth. Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you.
hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. Hello and happy Sunday from me and my new braids. Okay, guys, since I got my braids done yesterday, I have not been able to do anything with my hands aside touching my braids. Okay, so I just packed it in a low pony, and I just accessorized because I actually have an event I'm hosting today, which you guys would see in a different vlog. But let's talk about this hair a little bit. Okay, just a little bit. You guys can see how cute this hair is. I absolutely adore this hair. Like, what have I been doing, guys? What have I been doing? Why am I just jumping on this premium braiding extension bandwagon? Because what is this gorgeousness? What is this? I still have some at the back right here. Bring that to the front so you guys can see. But yeah, it is so pretty, so beautiful. I'm super obsessed with AYYA hair extensions. I cannot even lie to you guys right now because I am super obsessed with their extension. I absolutely love this braids, and oh my god, my braider did an amazing job. Oh my god. Guys, everything you need to know about AYYA hair will be in my description box below. Okay, their Instagram handle, their website, their addresses in Lagos and Abuja. Yes, they are in Lagos and Abuja, and I'm sure they deliver nationwide, maybe even worldwide. I will leave all the info in my description box, so check that out. Okay guys, I absolutely love this hair. Like, now go beg me to loosen this hair. You beg me to loosen this hair because the braiding alone, like, look at that. The braiding alone is just something else. One thing I love a lot about these hair extensions is that, you know how you would braid with normal hair extensions and you have to like trim, what's it called now? Trim them one by one to like get off the flyaways, and even like to achieve these coils, not even these coils, you cannot even achieve this kind of coils with normal extensions. That's the truth. This sort of coils, you cannot achieve it with normal extensions. It will be coily, but it will not be like this. That's the truth. So I love the fact that I didn't have to use hot water. I love the fact that I didn't have to trim anything. All they had to do was just to braid this hair, period. Like, that's it. No trimming, no nothing, and see how fine it is. Extensions are so fine, so it didn't even need any sort of trimming or anything like that. So pretty. I am completely and honestly absolutely obsessed. Okay, so guys, go check out AYYA hair. I'm sure you would love it for your next braiding experience. Don't say Amma did not do anything for you. Okay, all right, so that's that about that. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video of my braiding experience with AYYA hair. I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Mwah. Bye.
Got a tab, we can run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous.